Natural light is one of the most sought-after features in a home. It creates an inviting atmosphere, improves your mood, and offers numerous benefits to both your physical and mental well-being. In Mesa, Arizona, where sunny days are a regular occurrence, maximizing natural light with the right window installation can transform your living space. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, understanding how to make the most of natural light through smart window choices is essential. Here's how you can maximize natural light with window installation in Mesa. Choose larger windows for bigger impact. One of the simplest ways to enhance natural light is to install larger windows. In Mesa's climate, large windows allow more sunlight to flood your home, making rooms feel more spacious and bright. Sliding glass doors, picture windows, and bay windows are perfect for bringing in abundant light. If your living room or kitchen faces the backyard or a beautiful desert landscape, a floor-to-ceiling window can showcase the view while filling the room with sunlight. Larger windows, however, need to be chosen with care. You'll want to ensure that they are appropriately shaded during the summer to prevent overheating. Opt for energy-efficient windows that come with low E-glass coatings to help reflect the sun's rays while still allowing light in. Strategically place windows. When considering new window installation, it's important to think strategically about their placement. Windows on the south-facing side of your home in Mesa will capture the most sunlight throughout the day, especially in winter when the sun is lower in the sky. By placing windows on the south-facing walls of your home, you can maximize the natural light coming in. In addition to placing windows in strategic locations, consider using skylights or clearstory windows, which are installed high on the walls. These types of windows allow light to penetrate deeper into rooms, particularly spaces that might not have access to exterior walls for traditional windows. Select window styles that maximize light. Not all windows are created equal when it comes to allowing light into your home. Certain window styles are more effective than others. Picture windows, for example, are large, fixed windows that provide an unobstructed view of the outdoors while allowing ample light to enter. Casement windows, which open outward, are another great choice since they allow for full access to the outdoors and can be positioned to optimize light intake. For rooms with limited wall space, consider installing tall, narrow windows that stretch from the floor to the ceiling. These can enhance natural light without taking up too much space. Also, windows that are easy to open, like sliding or casement windows, enable you to control the airflow and create a pleasant, sun-filled space. Consider window treatments that enhance natural light. While the right windows can bring in plenty of natural light, how you treat those windows can also impact the light you receive. In Mesa's climate, where summer temperatures can soar, it's important to have window treatments that allow for light to enter while protecting your home from heat. Light, airy curtains in neutral tones or sheer blinds are excellent options to soften the sunlight and reduce glare while still keeping the space bright. If privacy is a concern, opt for shades or shutters that can be adjusted to control the amount of light entering your home without sacrificing visibility. Incorporate reflective surfaces To make the most of the natural light coming through your windows, consider incorporating reflective surfaces into your home's design. Light-colored walls, mirrors, and glass furniture pieces can bounce natural light around the room, making it feel even brighter. Reflective flooring, such as polished tile or light hardwood, also helps distribute natural light more evenly across the space. Adding light-colored decor, such as white or soft gray, can enhance the amount of light that bounces off walls, making your space feel airier and brighter. This effect can be especially impactful in rooms with fewer windows. Energy efficiency should be a priority. While it's tempting to prioritize aesthetics, energy efficiency should also be a significant factor when choosing windows for your home. Mesa's summers can be brutal, so selecting windows with high energy efficiency ratings can help reduce your cooling costs while still allowing for plenty of natural light. Look for windows that have double or triple glazing, as they can provide better insulation, keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Energy-efficient windows can also help with soundproofing and reduce UV rays that might cause fading in your furniture and flooring. Conclusion: maximizing natural light with window installation is a smart investment for homeowners in Mesa, providing not only aesthetic benefits but also enhancing the overall energy efficiency of your home. By strategically placing larger windows, selecting the right window styles, and considering energy-efficient options, you can transform your space into a sun-drenched haven that feels brighter, more inviting, and comfortable year-round. With thoughtful window placement and design, you can enjoy the beauty of Mesa's sunny weather from the comfort of your home.